Hello my bougie babes, welcome to my channel. Today I have another luxury haul for you that has a little bit of everything. I have something for the house, I have makeup, I have clothes, I have a bag. If you are new to the channel, I am Erica from Erica's Girly World. I hope you love it enough to subscribe, stick around, and be bougie with the rest of us. So we're gonna start this haul today with the sponsor of this video, LilySilk. You know I have been working with LilySilk forever. I have lost count already, it's been so many years. They are all about silk. Their clothing is such high quality. I have so many of their items because I've been working with them for a long time and I love them all. Most of them are classic pieces that you're going to invest in, but they're gonna last. So I have to show you the goodies that I picked out for this collab, because actually we get to go to the site and choose exactly what we want. So these are things we truly love and we're gonna use in our real life, right? So I have to show you the first item. The packaging is always so pretty. Look at this. First of all, this color is everything. This is a mint silk pillowcase meant for travel. I chose this because now that COVID restrictions are kind of like going down, I am starting to travel again and I am a little bit grossed out, especially after the pandemic, with kind of like hotel pillows, you know. So what a treat to be able to bring your silk pillowcase on your trip with you and sleep without any concerns. On top of it all, silk has natural antibacterial properties. Also, it's amazing for your skin, amazing for your hair. It allows you to wake up without frizzy hair, which I absolutely love. The other reason that made me order this pillowcase is that LilySilk added a blend of natural plant herbs to this pillowcase, making for a very calming blend. So talk about getting into a hotel, being able to put your own pillowcase on your pillow, which is gonna do wonders for your skin and your hair and making you have a good night of sleep. I mean, I'm sold, okay? So you see this right here? This is actually a pocket with a zipper, so you can pack your pillowcase inside the pocket and it's super easy to put on your suitcase to travel. It's 29 bucks, guys. And if you use my discount code, which is Erica15, you're gonna get another 15% off your order. I feel like this is a must. I want one for my entire family now. Next unboxing, I always talk about the packaging from LilySilk, but it is so beautiful. And I'm gonna show you the next item that I ordered, which is this bow tie silk blouse. How beautiful. This is part of LilySilk's new collection and this is the bronze color. This is 100% mulberry silk. So soft, so breathable, guys. That's one of the things that I love about buying pure silk, is that you do not have those artificial fabrics that make you sweat. Because if you think about polyester, like high street fashion, it's polyester, it's essentially plastic, okay? So it's not very breathable, it makes you sweat. You do not have to worry about that with natural fabrics. And there's also a sustainability component to them, right? They last longer because they are good quality fabrics, and then they don't pollute the environment. If you can, it is worthwhile to pay more to have better quality that's gonna last you a long time, and that's not gonna do damage to the earth. This is a fabulous, more of like a formal blouse, because it does have this beautiful sheen to go out for a fabulous dinner. Also for business, you know, if you have like a nice business dinner, something that you want to look very sophisticated and put together for, this is perfect. And the last item that I ordered, how beautiful with the bow. It is such a sophisticated presentation. This silk knit polo, so beautiful, and it has the contrasting trim, which I think makes it look very Chanel. You put this with Chanel earrings and you look like $1,000,000. On top of it all, this is a classic item. I just think that this is a forever sophisticated look, and here is what is the differential for me, is the quality. I mean, this is so soft, so breathable. So make sure you check out LilySilk. The information is in the description box below, and if you use my code Erica15, you will get an additional 15% off your purchase. Next on this haul, we have some Chanel. Okay, so let me unbox this for you. This is a piece of Chanel ready to wear. I actually have to edit this shopping vlog for you. I filmed this a while ago, guys. I am so sorry. I am so behind on my editing. But I think you're still going to enjoy seeing me shopping at Chanel, right? And see what they had in store, even though it's been a while, right? So there you are. This is a Chanel black top. and this is what sold me on it. It has the cute crystal Chanel logo right here. Classic piece of Chanel, right? Now here's the thing. I regret purchasing this top a little bit. I have already worn it. You know, I'm unboxing here for you to see so we can talk about it. But this top was $1,700. That's a lot of money for a top, right? I had them alter the top for me so it is a little bit tighter because you guys know I have larger bust. My waist is skinnier. So if I get a large, it's loose on the waist. And if I get a medium, it doesn't fit well in the bust. So I'm kind of like always having these problems. So I got this one on a bigger size and I had them adjust it for me and make it tighter. But the fit on this is not great, guys. It really isn't. Like on the breast, this stripe that you see right here, this division, should have been lower. Because I feel like this division kind of hits too high. It looks kind of strange. So the quality is amazing. And when I purchased this, I said, okay, this is a lot of money, but this is a classic piece. This is a top that I can wear for the rest of my life, right? So to me, that is a good investment because, hey, black, I can elevate any look with a black top that has the little Chanel crystal logo on it. But looking back now, after the excitement has died down a little bit, I wish I didn't buy it. If you have smaller breasts, this would be a perfect top for you. This is impossible to find. It is completely gone and sold out. Next on this haul, we have Prada. And I'm very excited about this purchase. I recently went to the Prada outlet here in Orlando at the Vineland Premium Outlets. And look what I found there. Oh my gosh, this Prada top is so flipping gorgeous. Look at this. It opens it up right here so it looks a little sexier. It has the Prada logo right here. And you know that these super neon colors are super in, and I have to show you. Remember my Balenciaga hourglass in yellow? Check this out. Perfect match. Look at this. I am so excited. I'm gonna be turning looks with these babies, okay? So this top was originally $1,000 and I paid $280 for it, okay? This is an amazing deal. They first dropped it down like 40% and then they dropped it down some more. And then when I went and I saw this price under $300, yes, baby, send it my way. In terms of clothes, there were amazing deals. They had beautiful bags. They had a pretty good selection of shoes. Very happy with everything that I saw. I wish I could have purchased more items, but this is so cute. Next, we're gonna talk about Off-White. I purchased this pair of Off-White sunglasses. I am so impressed with the quality of Off-White sunglasses. Comes with a little wipe and then came in this cute little pouch. Look at this. So cute. You can actually use this as a bag. Let's say you are going to like a concert or a Coachella. You can totally use this as a crossbody bag and put like your phone, your card. Look at them, how cute. I feel like they're super high fashion. They say Off-White right here and they have kind of this elongated look, a little bit pointy right here on the sides. The type of sunglasses that I feel elevate any look. So check this out. I mean, I'm dressed kind of like classic today because I'm wearing Chanel, so I feel like the vibe of the sunglasses doesn't match the outfit today. But oh my gosh, they are so flipping killer. Check this out. My daughter also bought a pair that was slightly different and it was equally amazing. I now want these sunglasses in white and the price on this was amazing. I got this like on the sale of the sale of the sale and I paid like $150 or something like that because I think the normal price is around $300 to $400. You better believe I'm gonna be buying more. Next we have Balenciaga. So let's open this baby up. So there you go. It comes with a strap. See the strap like so. And it is super tiny. Like this is like a vibe. This is not a bag that is purchased for practicality, okay? So let me show you the inside of it. Right here it came with a little tags. Check it out. I mean, you can put a card holder in here and maybe like a tiny lipstick. Obviously, I love Balenciaga because I do have an edgy side. You guys know I like girly things, but I also like very edgy things, and I actually feel sexier when I'm dressed edgy. So this appealed to my edgy side. The only thing that happened though was once I got it, even though I knew it was a micro bag, when I saw it on me, I am a person that I am tall. I am 5'8". I am voluptuous. I have curves. I have big breasts, and I feel like the proportions did not look right with this bag. When my daughter put this bag on to take her Instagram picture, it looked amazing on her because she's a little bit more petite. I feel like I look a little bit of like a giant with like this tiny little bag. You know what I mean? If anybody's interested, I will sell it to you. Just DM me on Instagram. It is brand new, as you can tell, only taken out for pictures, and it comes with the tags. It's gonna come with the plastic, and this is the official packaging of the bag that it came in, so it will come exactly as I purchased. Next, I have to show you this super cute goodies from Dolce Beauty. I in general am not spending a lot of money on makeup, okay? I'm investing in my Hermès makeup collection, but other than that, just kind of like replenishing my regular makeup because I used to spend a lot of money on makeup and you just don't use it all. I still have all of these eye palettes that I end up giving away because I don't use them. It is really money on the trash, you know? But I will make an exception for Dolce Gabbana limited edition pieces. These pieces are not available in the US. I collect them. I have a few others from previous collections just because of the packaging. This cream eyeshadow, look at this packaging with the crown, guys, how beautiful. And the eyeshadow is like a beautiful metallic green. Look at that, how beautiful. Now this is the one that I was really after because check this out. How gorgeous is this? And this is called the Solar Glow. It's a translucent loose setting powder. Now my friend Val had to bring this for me from Dubai. And last on this haul, we have some Hermès for the home. Before I do the Hermès for the home, I was preparing this video and I saw this lipstick inside the bag that I actually even forgot that I bought, guys. So I was like, it was like I got a gift all over again today, but look at this. This was a limited edition collection, and look at this orange. This is a matte orange, and it is the most beautiful thing, guys. And I am all about Hermès makeup because Hermès makeup is cruelty-free. Yes, boo-boo. So I am totally investing on my Hermès makeup collection. So now, let's talk about these boxes. So check this out, how beautiful. Comes with a little pamphlet, 2 plates, the box, even though you can buy them as singles because I actually bought 7 of them. My table sits 6 people, but I bought an extra one just in case. I was really struggling deciding which collection from Hermès that I wanted. I was between this one, which is the Mosaic Platinum, or the Balcon. Can I say the whole name? Balcon do Guadalquivir is the name of the whole thing. I love the red one very much, and you know I have a loud personality and I thought the pop of color was amazing. But to keep on my dining table all the time, my house is gray and black and white. I thought that this was a more sophisticated collection to start with, and then once I have this collection completed, then I'll move on to Balcon as like a holiday collection, right? It is so hard to get Hermès tableware right now. Everything is so limited. It is never available in stores. It's a pain in the butt. I saw it available on the site for purchase. They only had the dessert plates. So I got only the dessert plates because that's all they had, okay? But I didn't want to order from the website. So I called my SA and I said, hey, any way that you can get them for me? Because obviously I would rather purchase from my local store and build my history, right? So they were able to secure for me. I was so happy. And I think the dessert plate is the perfect place for you to start your collection because you put this kind of like at the center. So you can have around it a regular white dinner plate or gray or silver dinner plate, and then put the Hermès one on top, and then your set looks complete. It looks Hermès. So if you are starting your collection, or if you cannot afford an entire Hermès tableware collection, go for the dessert plates. You cannot tell it, I don't think right now, but when the light hits it right, it actually sparkles a little bit because it has like a little bit of like silver, you know, metallic. And then the back has the Hermès pattern a little bit, and then it says the name of the collection. I went, I think last week or the week before, to the store, and I didn't realize that I could put an order. So I went to the store and they helped me out, and I put an order for the rest of the pieces that I wanted. I have no idea when that's going to arrive. I have heard people waiting a year, 9 months, 6 months. So it is what it is, but I was like, I can put an order because I think right now it is the only way for you to get these pieces. This is it for the haul, guys. I hope you got some great ideas of things to buy for yourself, and don't forget to click the link in the description box below and shop LilySilk, and make sure you enter my code ERICA15 so you can get a 15% discount. Thank you so much for taking time off of your busy day to watch my videos. It means so much to me, guys. I love you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!